Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the drop in tourism in 2020. I've had a lot of emails, I've had a lot of folks actually ask me in person, friends of mine, ask me what my guess is on how much tourism dropped in 2020. I have had my speculations somewhere between 70, 80, maybe even 90%, but I've always been rather hesitant to make such speculations as people sort of then come back to me and say, well, you were wrong about this. And, I was guessing, educated guess as best I can. I do study this rather frequently, but, I'm not the final authority on the numbers. A recent article, though, kind of unrelated or sort of tangentially related to this topic, but from thaivisa.com, article was titled, Vaccine Passports Could Allow Foreigners to Visit Thailand Without Quarantine. Quoting directly, Thailand, which normally welcomes around 40 million tourists, saw tourist arrivals fall by 90% in 2020. I thought that was rather interesting, 90%. So, if normally 40 million, I guess that means there were only 4 million tourists in 2020. That's a number based on what we're seeing that I would probably believe. The 4 million, 5 million tourists, and that is just a substantial reduction of especially for a country that a large part of the economy depends on tourism. To lose 90% of that part of the economy, it's really pretty staggering. And truly, my thoughts go out to folks. I see the resorts here in Thailand, or I've seen them the last few months, all but abandoned. Bangkok is certainly far quieter than it usually is. It is just an unfortunate and sad state of affairs, and truly the folks that have been put out of work as a result of this, it's just a terrible thing. There's really no other word for it. So hopefully we will see developments in coming months. The response to COVID, perhaps the repeal of the emergency decree, and the return to some degree of normality with respect to especially the tourism sector would certainly be welcome from many, including myself, here in the Kingdom of Thailand.